project, the gesture control robot. First, I chose this project because of its unique source of input, which is an accelerometer. It uses its gyroscope within to give data on the tilt and degree of the board's orientation. That data is sent to the nano, sent here to control the motor driver, and that controls these motors to tell it to forward, backward, left, right. And on how it works, this accelerometer here, within it is a small suspended mass, and with it are some springs. And when that moves a certain way, it triggers a sort of signal that is sent to the nano. And when that signal is read, it sends another signal through this Bluetooth module here to this Bluetooth module in the car. The Arduino Uno reads that signal and tells the motor driver how much voltage to send to these motors. So for example, if a high voltage is sent to all 4 of these motors, the car will move forward. And demonstration. First, turn the switch on, plug in the controller to this power bank here. I'll wait for it to pair. There it's paired. So as you can see, I'm tilting the board forward. That moves it forward. Backward works also. That way works. My modification for this project was an ultrasonic sensor at the front of the car. So when an object in front of it is detected, it will not move forward. See there? There's also an override button, so even if an object is detected in front of it, it will still move forward. There's an emergency stop button, which stops it automatically, and all Bluetooth connections between these two devices are disabled. So, my main challenge with this project was the modification, the ultrasonic sensor. The readings at times were very inaccurate, and it gave me sort of phantom object, so it detected an object that wasn't actually there and stopped the car automatically. And so I solved that by adding an override button, so even if there are false readings of an object in front of it, it would still move the car forward. So I would also expand on this project by adding a map making feature. So if an object is detected in front of it, it would lock the position of that object and add it to an additional map. So it's sort of like a Roomba, which would take scans of the whole room, and instead of stopping right when an object is in front of it, it would just avoid it entirely. And with that, all these challenges from BSc, I learned how to solder, basic knowledge in Arduino and more, hardware, how to identify different pins in Arduino board, and just these great instructors helped me a lot through many of my challenges. And I'm also leaving this camp with a lot of knowledge, art, engineering, and I'm really grateful for what this camp has done.